Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Jeep Cherokee. Start by testing the key fob from a few feet away and replace the CR2032 battery if the LED does not light. If the fob still fails, remove the physical key from the fob and manually turn the driver door lock. Always keep a spare fob or a mechanical key in a secure location to avoid lockouts. Begin by exposing the mechanical key in your fob and check that the blade is not bent or damaged before use. Insert the key straight into the lock, avoid rocking it side to side, and turn with steady pressure while pulling the door handle. If the cylinder resists, apply a tiny amount of graphite lubricant or dacer and work the key gently to free the tumblers without forcing them and causing damage. If electronic methods fail, check the vehicle battery and fob battery first, because those two things solve many lock issues quickly. For Jeeps with a keypad, enter the 5-digit code carefully, then press 51 to unlock all doors when needed. If the lock cylinder is damaged or you lost all keys, contact roadside assistance or a locksmith who can use non-invasive tools to open the door without harming the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.